Hello guys, Craig Newton here. Today I will show you 3 new Knex Elements. These elements are actually from my third Knex ball machine. It's not that a lot, but it was quite a lot. Well, on my third Knex ball machine, Some you guys might seen it. Well, maybe some of you, but maybe some of them did. So here's 3 new elements I have built. Yes, like I said, they're actually from my third Knex ball machine, so I put these 2 away. I will show you this one first. Yeah, these things are move, so you just put a ball there, it loads like that. It's really cool. Whoops. Yeah, that's the first element. Now the second element. Yeah, that one's brand new. Yeah, it just goes down like that. Yep, that's a second element. Now the third, it's just the track, red connectors. That's it. That's it really. So yeah, that's it. I could build more elements, but I'm only going to do 3. So yeah, that's pretty much it just now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy in today's video. The next video probably Knex gun video maybe, or outside video, I don't know. I don't know yet. So you just have to wait and see. You have to make sure you subscribed, or whatever you want. I really have to stop a video now. So I'm Craig Newton, built these Knex creations. I'll see you at the next video. So I hope you like this video guys, and give this a video thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe content, link to subscription now comes more. So goodbye.